So the second way, I'm going to use the other half of this big roast. I'm literally roasting the one in the oven right now. This was so big though, so this is going to be 2 meals. And you may have seen these from the freezer family or whatever. I might do mine a little bit different. I said this one's going to end up in the crock pot because I'm going to freeze this. This is a really thick mill. Of course, I got these from Temu. I saw them on another site, and I shop around. I'm a good consumer. So, ooh, I'm touching all this meat, but here it goes. This is a gallon size, FYI. Okay. And then I had a little bit of au jus that came off of the roast as I was getting it ready to put in the oven. So I'm going to use this. If you have broth or water, that's fine too. That's going to go in. It's really hot. I should wait till that gets cool, huh? Now I'm just going to throw in the veggies that I would put in my crock pot. So here I have them. Let me hold them up for you. I have carrots, some onion so that there's a lot of surface. I don't want just one onion in there because then it will yield its flavor. The celery that I have was left over from when I had a party. So it isn't perfect, but this is just going to be flavoring. I don't even know if we'll eat these, but it will definitely flavor the sauce. Let me get those into the bag. Onion, it doesn't matter in what order, you know, because this is going to go frozen. Get in there, you guys. Oopsie, run away, carrot. And then, you know how I mentioned that Lipton seasoning that I don't want when I roast it in the oven? Well, I do want it here, but I'll make my own. Yeah, I did. I made my own with dried onion flakes and some spices. In the albums on our cooking with the Aunt Shirley site, I love to smell this. I don't know, I'm crazy. But on that, in the albums on the site is where you'll find the easy way to make this yourself. It will be on in the albums, but under recipe cards. Okay, I don't know if I did a little video on it or not. Oh, this is kind of full. I don't want to. I'm going to put in as much as I think is in one of those packets. So I'm going to put 2.5 in. 2.5, 3. License to change my mind. And then I keep all my little, what do you call it? That way, see, I don't have any in a box in the cupboard, but I had this. So I always have this. All right. So then I'm going to zip this up. I might put a teeny bit more water in before I zip it up. Yeah, I'm going to. This time it'll be cold water. Okay. Let me do this. It'll kind of hydrate that other stuff then, right? Be careful at this point. All you do is, I'm going to do it this way for you. And I take it out. And what I do is I kind of almost lay it down and get as much air out as I can. It was easier. I did spaghetti sauce yesterday. Okay, like that. See, just like that. Look. And then I can go across. Doesn't have to be perfect. But I don't need a vacuum sealer then. And I can store this like this in my freezer. So that'll be for a crock pot meal. What do you think? It'll be frozen. I'll just open that sucker. And you can rinse these out and dry them. I dry them right on top of this so that the air goes as such. And these just go down for the smaller ones if you want. And then this folds up. If you want my discount, I get it off Temu. Tell me if you have any of these from the real site. from the real site. Because these work just fine. I got 4 of them for whatever. Okay, so there's my 2 roasts. One's going to be in the freezer, and one's going to be in the oven. Yum. Either one, delicious.